In this video we're going to look at what the Irish word le means, and we're going to examine the prepositional pronouns that originate from this word. Essentially, le means with and leishan means with the. So if we're using the word le, the following word usually does not undergo any mutation or change. For example, Lawer me le Seamus. I spoke with Seamus. So you can see there that Seamus stays the same as its original form. It doesn't take a H, it doesn't undergo any change like an uru or anything like that. Lawer me le Seamus. But if I said the following phrase here, Vul me le Shangalin, that means I met with the girl. You can see there that because I've used the words lesh on, the following word takes an uru. So Colleen becomes Golleen. The G there acts as an uru, or in other words, it acts as an eclipse. Vul me le Shangalin. So le doesn't require the next word to undergo any change. Leshan requires an uru on the following word. That's if the following word can take an uru, because not all words can take an uru. So let's go down through the prepositions now for le. So the first one, lum, that essentially means with me. Lum. Lat means with you. Lesh with him. Lehi with her. Ling with us. Live with you, but that's you as in more than one person, like a group. And lo then means with them. Let's look at some sample sentences now using the Irish verbs lawer and bul again. Vul me lesh. I met with him. Vul me lesh. Lawer me lehi. I spoke with her. Lawer me lehi. These prepositional pronouns can also be used to describe feelings and opinions. Let's demonstrate. Is ma ling quidu le chéile. We like to help each other. Is ma ling quidu le chéile. Ní ma lum é. I don't like it. Ní ma lum é. Is even lehi ve ag siopadaoracht. She adores going shopping, or she really loves going shopping. Is even lehi ve ag siopadaoracht. Is farlo tastal ar on train. They prefer to travel on the train. Is farlo tastal ar on train. So if you enjoyed this video and you found it useful, please give it a like, and I'll be back very soon with another video. I just want to say a big thank you to all my Patreon supporters, the names of which you'll see on screen now. Your help has really been encouraging to me. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. Gurb Mila Magwif. Kerkalor, Shine, Beg me a rash galua, Slongafol.